A Senior Help Website Guide. Chapter 1. Senior Help Websites. USA.gov has practical information to help people. Facebook.com/USAGov. Twitter.com/USAGov. YouTube.com/USAGov1. Instagram.com/USAGov. USA.gov/disasters-and-emergencies. USA.gov/travel. USA.gov/small-business. USA.gov/voting-and-elections. USA.gov/scams-and-fraud. USA.gov/life-events. USA.gov/money. USA.gov/check-tax-status. USA.gov/military-and-veterans. USA.gov/register-to-vote. USA.gov/passport. USA.gov/laws-and-legal-issues. USA.gov/jobs-labor-laws-unemployment. USA.gov/immigration-and-citizenship. USA.gov/disaster. USA.gov/housing-help. USA.gov/death-loved-1. USA.gov/health. USA.gov/financial-hardship. USA.gov/benefits. USA.gov/early-childhood. USA.gov/education. USA.gov/adulthood. USA.gov/taxes. USA.gov/approaching-retirement. USA.gov/disability-services. Senior Help Websites. eap.partners.org/worklife/eldercare/eldercare intro. ec-online.net, Caregiving Books. eldercraftsman.org. elderdecisions.com, Elder Decisions mediators help you create workable solutions to disputes as with family. elderoptions.org. elderweb.com, mptv-fund.org/services/elder_connection.hdm. finalarrangements.network.com/free_help/eldercare.hdm. helpguide.org. seniorliving.com. mealcall.org/list_organization.hdm. mentalhelp.net/poc/center_index.php?id=171, eldercare. selfhelp.net/html/senioractivity.shdm. senior.com. seniorcore.org. seniorjournal.com/assistellderly.hdm. seniormagonline.com. seniorresourcescc.org. seniorresourcescc.org/info/program/farm_assistance.html. seniorsearch.com. Senior Help Organizations and Resources. Ethel Percy Andrus Gerontology Center. USC. University Park, MC0191. La California, 90089-0191. 213-740-6060. usc.edu. Publications on Aging. Institute of Gerontology Library. U of Michigan. 300 North Ingalls St. Ann Arbor, Michigan, 48109. 313-665-1126. umich.edu. Major library dealing with senior issues. Policy Center on Aging. Brandeis U. Heller Graduate School. Waltham, Massachusetts, 02254. 617-736-3874. Brandeis.edu. Many publications for seniors. American Healthcare Association. 1201 L. St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-842-4444. Fax, 202-842-3860. 800-555-9414. ahca.org. Materials about long-term, assisted living and nursing home health care. Federation of State Associations of Licensed Nursing Homes. They publish a guidebook for people when selecting a nursing home called, Thinking About a Nursing Home. Brookdale Center on Aging. 425 East 25th St. NYC 10010. 800-64 staff. 212-481-4426. Fax, 212-481-5069. Educational institute which offers training for gerontology workers as well as publications such as a directory of legal services for older adults. Center for the Study of Pharmacy and Therapeutics for the Elderly School of Pharmacy. University of Maryland. 20 North Pine St. Baltimore, Maryland 21201. 410-706-3011. Fax, 410-706-0897. umd.edu. Consumer Education Pamphlets. Children of Aging Parents. 1609 Woodbourne Road. Number 302. Levittown, Pennsylvania 19057. 215-945-6900. Fax, 215-945-2289. 800-227-7294. correguide.net. caps4caregivers.org. Consortium on Assisted Living. 703-533-8121. ccal.org. Healthcare Financing Administration. Health Standards and Quality Bureau. 1849 Gwynn Oak Avenue. Baltimore, Maryland 21207. hcfa.gov, cms.hhs.gov. Request referrals for adult daycare services. Healthcare Financing Administration. 7500 Security Boulevard. Baltimore, Maryland 21244-1850. 800-638-6833. hcfa.gov, cms.hhs.gov. Free booklet, Guide to Choosing a Nursing Home. National Alliance for Caregiving. 4720 Montgomery Lane. Number 642. Bethesda, Maryland 20814. Caregiving.org. National Association of Private Geriatric Care Managers. 1604 Country Club Road. Tucson, Arizona 85711. 520-881-8008. caremanager.org. Contact them for a list of credible managers in your area. These people know the business and will take care of all the needs of the senior. National Center for Assisted Living. 800-555-9414. ncal.org. National Citizens Coalition for Nursing Home Reform. 1424 16th St. Northwest. Number 202. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-332-2275. Fax, 202-332-2949. nccnhr.org advocacy group that provides resources and lists of officials to contact in each state for education and legal help. National Health Information Center. Number 2132. 330 CST. SW. Washington, D.C. 20201. 800-336-4797. 301-565-4167. Fax, 301-984-4256. NHIC@health.org NHIC-nt.health.org. Healthfinder.gov. nhIc-net.health.org/nmp/conf.html. Booklet Long-Term Care which lists several free publications. National Institute of Aging. POB 8057. Gaithersburg, Maryland 20898. 800-222 2225. nih.gov/NIA. Free booklet, When You Need a Nursing Home. National Long-Term Care Resource Center. University of Minnesota School of Public Health. 420 Delaware SE. Box 197 Mayo. Minneapolis, Minnesota 55455. 612-624-5171. Fax, 612-624-5434. umn.edu. National Resource and Policy Center. On Housing and Long-Term Care. Andrus Gerontology Center. University of Southern California. Law California 90089-0191. 213-740-1364. Fax, 213-740-8241. hmap@usc.edu. usc.edu. National Resource Center. On Rural Long-Term Care. Center on Aging. University of Kansas Medical Center. 3901 Rainbow Boulevard. KC, Missouri 66160. 913-588-1636. ugons.edu. National Resource Center. Diversity and Long-Term Care. Heller School. Brandeis University. POB 9110. Waltham, Massachusetts 02254-9110. 800-456-9966. 617-736-3930. Fax, 617-736-3928. Brandeis.edu. National Resource Center for Rural Elderly. University of Missouri. 5100 Rockville Road. Kansas City, Missouri 64110. 816-235-1024. Missouri.edu. Information about nursing homes and programs in rural America. Well Spouse Foundation. 610 Lexington Avenue. Number 814. NYC 10022-6005. 800-838-0879. wellspouse.org. Advocacy for long-term care, support for people with chronically ill relatives. Chapter 2. Senior information at usa.gov. A secure retirement for all. Sanders.senate.gov/WP content/uploads/secure retirement for all report 02.28.2024.pdf. Security was signed into law. Nearly half of seniors lived in poverty. About Form 1040 SR, U.S. Tax Return for Seniors irs.gov/forms-pub/about-form-1040-SR. Information about Form 1040 SR, U.S. Tax Return for Seniors, including recent updates, related forms and instructions on how to file. Affordable Connectivity Program, Federal Communications Commission. fcc.gov/acp. Aging, Texas Health and Human Services. hhs.texas.gov/services/aging. Care for people 60 and older. 800-252-9240. Aging in Place, Growing Older at Home, National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/aging-place/aging-place-growing-older-home. Federal, state, and local governments offer many resources for older adults and their families and caregivers. Aging and Disability Services, Oregon.gov. Oregon.gov/odhs/aging-services/pages/default.aspx. AmeriCorps Seniors Foster Grandparent Program and Senior Companion. AmeriCorps.gov. AmeriCorps Seniors Foster Grandparent Program, FGP, and the Senior Companion Program, SCP, of AmeriCorps. AmeriCorps Seniors Pathfinder, AmeriCorps. americarps.gov/serve/americarps-seniors/americarps-seniors-pathfinder. The program aims to keep seniors independent longer and provide assistance to family caregivers. AmeriCorps Seniors, USA Gov. usa.gov/agencies/americarps-seniors. AmeriCorps Seniors is a network of volunteer programs for Americans 55 years and older. Volunteers work in their community doing academic tutoring and AmeriCorps Seniors, AmeriCorps. americarps.gov/serve/americarps-seniors. AmeriCorps Seniors volunteers experience decreased anxiety, depression, and loneliness. Proposed AmeriCorps Seniors rule to remove barriers to service. Assistance for seniors and adult care, food and nutrition service. fns.usda.gov/seniors. FNS programs ensure people at every stage of life have access to nutritious food. Benefits, SSA, the United States Social Security Administration. ssa.gov/benefits. Caring for an older adult, Mississippi Department of Human Services. mdhs.ms.gov/services/adult. City of Chicago Seniors. chicago.gov/city/en/ofinterest/res/senior.html. City of Phoenix Senior Services. phoenix.gov/residents/seniors. City of Scottsdale, Senior Services. scottsdaleaz.gov/seniors. Scottsdale Senior Services provides an integrated system of services, resources, and opportunities to help people improve their lives, neighborhoods. Commodity Supplemental Food Program, Food and Nutrition Service. fns.usda.gov/csfp/commodity-supplemental-food-program. Serving seniors with a monthly food package. Department of Labor. dol.gov/general/topic/training/seniors. The Senior Community Service Employment Program, SCSEP, is a part-time employment program for low-income persons age 55 or over. Aging homepage, Office for the Aging. aging.ny.gov. The New York State Office for the Aging is working for you. Department of Senior Affairs, City of Albuquerque. cabq.gov/seniors. Elder Affairs, Arizona Attorney General. ozg.gov/issues/elder-affairs. Protecting Arizona seniors from abuse and exploitation is an important priority for the Attorney General's office. elderhostel.org. Educational and travel programs for seniors. Federal income tax rates and brackets, Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/filing/federal-income-tax-rates-and-brackets. Finding services for older adults. mdhs.ms.gov/aging/finding-services-for-older-adults. Legal assistance and advocacy services are available to older adults to help them protect their rights, secure benefits, and promote a higher quality. Food assistance programs for older adults, USA Gov. usa.gov/senior-food-programs. Most states offer these programs for older adults who have a low income. Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program, SFMNP. Food programs for older adults, Department of Human Services. dhs.pa.gov/ending-hunger/pages/food-programs-for-older-adults.aspx. Form 1040 SR, Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/pub/irs-pdf/f1040s.pdf. U.S. Tax Return for Seniors 2023 Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service. Health Topics AZ, National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health. Housing Choice Voucher, Section 8, USA Gov. usa.gov/housing-voucher-section-8. Housing choice vouchers are for families with low incomes, seniors, and people with disabilities. Housing Choice Voucher Program Section 8, HUD.gov. HUD.gov/topics/housing_choice_voucher_program_section_8. The Housing Choice Voucher Program is the federal government's major program for assisting very low-income families, the elderly, and the disabled to how and when to apply for Medicare, USA.gov. USA.gov/Medicare. If you apply for Social Security 3 months before you turn 65 or later, you can sign up for Medicare when you apply for Social Security. HUD makes $115 million available to support housing for seniors. HUD.gov. HUD Public Affairs 202-708-0685. Information for senior citizens, HUD.gov. HUD.gov/topics/information_for_senior_citizens. Information for senior citizens looking for housing options for yourself, an aging parent, relative, or friend. Do some research first to determine. IRS Free File, Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/individuals/find-a-location-for-free-tax-prep. apps.irs.gov/app/free-file/general. IRS use only, do not write or staple in this. Kingsport Senior Center Home, Kingsport Senior Center. Seniors.kingsportn.gov. Maine.gov, Residents, Senior Citizen Resources. Maine.gov/portal/residents/seniors.html. Medicaid Eligibility, Medicaid. Medicaid.gov/medicaid/eligibility/index.html. Medicaid is a joint federal and state program that, together with the Children's Health Insurance Program, CHIP, provides health coverage. National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/vitamins-and-supplements/vitamins-and-minerals-older-adults. Office on Aging, OC Office on Aging, Orange County, California. officeonaging.ocgov.com. Area Agencies on Aging and Services, Health and Senior Services. health.mo.gov/seniors/AAA. Programs and services are designed by the area agencies on aging to meet the needs of the individuals in their planning and service areas. Older investors. investor.gov/additional-resources/information/older-investors. FINRA Securities Helpline for Seniors, 844-574-3577, Never Stop Learning Tip. Older Adults, Ready.gov. Ready.gov/older-adults. Learn who to make an emergency plan for seniors, as well as how to get benefits electronically. Older Adult Health, Medline Plus. medlineplus.gov/olderadulthealth.html. Many older adults live active and healthy lives. OMB No. Online Learning and Tests, California DMV. dmv.ca.gov/portal/driver-and-safety/online-learning-and-tests. Our programs, Tennessee State Government, tn.gov/aging/r-programs.html. Passport fees, travel. travel.state.gov/content/travel/en/passports/how-apply/fees.html. Pennsylvania. aging.pa.gov. Plan for Medicare, SSA. ssa.gov/Medicare. You'll sign up for Medicare Part A and Part B through Social Security. You can learn more and sign up for other parts at Medicare.gov. Programs and Services, Consumer, California Department of Aging. aging.ca.gov/programs_and_services. The California Department of Aging, CDA, administers programs that serve older adults, adults with disabilities, family caregivers. Programs for Seniors, HHS.gov. hhs.gov/programs/social-services/programs-for-seniors/index.html. Learn about programs and resources for older adults. Programs and Services, Georgia Department of Human Services. aging.georgia.gov/programs-and-services. Programs and Services. Programs and Services for Older Adults, Fairfax County. fairfaxcounty.gov/neighborhood-community-services/older-adults. Programs and Services, Maryland Department of Aging. aging.maryland.gov/pages/programs-and-services.aspx. Programs for Seniors and Aging, Texas Health and Human Services. hhs.texas.gov/services/health/medicaid-chip/programs-services/programs-seniors-aging. Call 2-1-1, our hotline service for people looking to get help and find the services they need. Property Tax/Rent Rebate Program, PA Department of Revenue. revenue.pa.gov/incentives credits program/property tax rent rebate program/pages/default.aspx ?site ID =1. Property Tax/Rent Rebate Program, PA Department of Revenue. revenue.pa.gov/incentives credits program/property tax rent rebate program/pages/default.aspx. The Property Tax/Rent Rebate Program supports homeowners and renters across Pennsylvania. Publication 554, 2023, Tax Guide for Seniors, Internal Revenue Service. irs.gov/publications/P554. Form 1040 SR, U.S. Tax Return for Seniors. Read, White House, Chichelin celebrate victories to lower RX drug costs. whitehouse-ccs.live-realize-read-hyphen-whitehouse-ccs.line-lower-RX-drug-for-high-new-3-5-monthly-cap-on-info-2. As of January 1, 2023, Medicare drug plans cannot charge seniors more than $35 for a 1-month supply of a Part D covered insulin product. Renew registration, PennDOT Driver and Vehicle Services. dmv.pa.gov/vehicle-services/title-registration/pages/renew-registration.aspx. Renewing your registration. Retirement Plan and IRA Required Minimum Distributions FAQs. irs.gov/retirement-plan/retirement-plan-IRA-required-minimum-distributions-FAQs. Required minimum distributions, RMDs, are minimum amounts that IRA and retirement plan account owners generally must withdraw annually. Senior Citizens Exemption, NICE Department of Taxation and Finance. tax.ny.gov/pit/property/exemption/senior-exempt.htm. To qualify, seniors generally must be 65 years of age or older and meet certain income limitations and other requirements. Senior Drivers, California DMV. dmv.ca.gov/portal/driver-education-and-safety/special-interest-driver-guides/senior-drivers. Community Liaison and Outreach. Senior and Disability Services, Health and Senior Services. health.mo.gov/seniors. Senior Services, Health and Senior Services. health.mo.gov/seniors/senior-services. Missouri Guide to Housing Assistance Programs. Senior Services, Gloucester County, New Jersey. Gloucester County, New Jersey.gov/303/seniors. City of Chicago, Senior Services. chicago.gov/city/en/department/fss/provdrs/senior.html. Senior Housing, HPD, nyc.gov. nyc.gov/site/hpd/services-and-information/senior-housing.page. Senior Affordable Rental Apartments, SARA, Program. Senior Program and Trips, Tamarack, FL, Official Website. tamarack.org/569/senior-program-and-trips. The senior program is available to seniors ages 55 and up from Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m., 4 p.m. Seniors First, HPD, nyc.gov. nyc.gov/site/hpd/services-and-information/seniors-first.page. Seniors First. Diabetes in Older People, National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/diabetes/diabetes-older-people. Seniors, Pinellas County. pinellas.gov/topics/human-rights-social-services/seniors. Seniors Home, Department of Recreation, Montgomery County, Maryland. montgomerycountymd.gov/rec/activities-and-programs/seniors. Senior Programs. Montgomery County Recreation has many ways for independent adults 55 and better to stay active and healthy. Seniors Services, Division of Aging and Adult Services, Utah. daas.utah.gov/seniors. Seniors, Guides to Services, State of Delaware. delaware.gov/guides/seniors. Seniors Only DMV Facilities, Illinois Secretary of State. ilsos.gov/services/services_for_seniors/home.html. Walk-in Seniors Only DMV Centers. Offering driver and motor vehicle services, including driving tests. Seniors, wa.gov. wa.gov/seniors. Seniors. Seniors, mass.gov. mass.gov/topics/seniors. Seniors. Seniors, Idaho Department of Health and Welfare. healthandwelfare.idaho.gov/services-programs/seniors. Seniors/Minnesota Department of Human Services. mn.gov/dhs/people-we-serve/seniors. Waukesha County, Older Adult Services. waukeshacounty.gov/health and human services/adrc/older-adult-services. 262-548-7848. Services for Older Adults Living at Home, National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/caregiving/services-older-adults-living-home. Home health care services may be available to help older people with many aspects of health care, such as medications, wound care, medical equipment. SNAP special rules for the elderly or disabled. fns.usda.gov/snap/eligibility/elderly-disabled-special-rules. The official website for the State of New Jersey, Senior Services. nj.gov/nj/community/senior. U.S. Tax Return for Seniors 2023 Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service. USDA MyPlate Nutrition Information for Older Adults. myplate.gov/life-stages/older-adults. Focus on the nutrients you need, including potassium, calcium, vitamin D, dietary fiber, and vitamin B1-2. Vaccinations and Older Adults, National Institute on Aging. nia.nih.gov/health/immunizations-and-vaccines/vaccinations-and-older-adults. West Virginia Bureau of Senior Services. wvseniorservices.gov. irs.gov/individuals/free-tax-return-preparation-for-qualifying-taxpayers. VITA sites offer free tax help to people who need assistance in preparing their own tax returns. irs.gov/newsroom/eligible-seniors-should-take-advantage-of-free-filing-options-this-tax-season. In-person IRS help for seniors and low-income taxpayers. irs.gov/filing/free-file-do-your-federal-taxes-for-free